Our lesson for today is all about figures of speech and subordinating conjunctions. In figures of speech, we have two as of the moment. The first one is simile and then metaphor. Simile is a form of comparative description which uses the word as, like the, or like as. Example, some squash were as yellow as the morning sun. The Datu was like a gallant warrior in his attire. As you can see, in the first example, we use as and as. Okay, this one. In the second example, we use like to compare the Datu and the gallant warrior. Okay. Now, let's go to metaphor. Metaphor is a form of direct comparative description which does away with the words as or like. The metaphor does not use as or like. Okay? Example, the moon is a big plate from the sky at night. The moon is compared to a big plate in the sky. The second example is the waves are roller coaster vehicles in the ocean. It compares the waves to a roller coaster. Alright? Okay, let's go to subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunctions link one dependent clause to an independent clause. Independent clause is a part of the sentence that can stand alone, and dependent clause needs something to complete the thought of it. And in this lesson, we have grouped these subordinating conjunctions into four. One group is since and because. Because and since are conjunctions that link reason to the course of action. Example, Maria did not want to give water because she has no vessel fit for a noble Datu. Alright. In here, the dependent clause at the same time the course of action is Maria did not want to give water. The reason why Maria did not want to give water is that she had no vessel fit for the noble Datu. And as you can see, we connected the reason and the action by using the subordinating conjunction because. And in the second example, we connected the action, which is surprise, to the reason why he was surprised by using the word since. This is again a subordinating conjunction. In number 2, if, unless, before. These conjunctions link a condition to an action. A while back, the one that is linked to an action is the reason. This time, it is a condition that is linked to an action. And the subordinating conjunctions that we will use are if, unless, and for. Example, if you were selfish, you will have no friends. Letter B. Unless he sends the utensils, she will not be able to cook the food. Number 3. As well. These conjunctions link actions that happened at the same time, while other actions or conditions are taking place. Let's see. Example. As the Datu slept soundly, the servant carried him away. Ooh. As the Datu slept soundly, this is the action, and the other action or condition that takes place is this one. The servant carried him away. So as is used with two actions together. Okay? Letter B, Maria acted fast while the Datu slept soundly. As you can see, there are still two actions here. Maria acted fast and then the Datu slept soundly. Alright. Next. Although, though, even though. These conjunctions show acknowledgement or acceptance. Okay, acceptance and acknowledgement. Let's see what are the acceptance and acknowledgement in the example. Although he was offended, he did not have the heart to get angry with Maria. This is the acceptance. Although he was offended, he accepted that he is offended with Maria. Okay? Number 2, he gave in though his idea seemed to be the better one. He acknowledged that his idea is better, but he still gave in. So that is the use of although, though, and even though in a sentence. Okay, so now you learn that you can make a sentence by combining independent clause and dependent clause in one sentence by using or by the help of the subordinating conjunctions.